As coronavirus tears an unforgiving path across the country, numbers show it is especially devastating to one group, African Americans.
When you look at the proportion of people who get into serious trouble and die, again, it's going to be disproportionate towards the African Americans. I do expect that.
Why is the black community getting hit so hard by this?
Well, the black community has been hit by poor health for a long time. Pre-existing conditions such as obesity, such as asthma, such as diabetes, hypertension. Now you compound it by this deadly disease. I mean, it's no surprise that we're going to get hit harder.
In Chicago, nearly 70% of virus-related fatalities are black, even though African Americans make up less than a third of the population.
Those numbers take your breath away.
In the epicenter, New York City, 59% of deaths are in Queens and the Bronx, both areas with high black and Hispanic populations.
We're working very hard on the African American community with respect to what's going on because it's not good. I don't like it.
Down south in Louisiana, African Americans, who only account for 32% of the population, make up 70% of the state's deaths.
Those hotspots are in areas of the state that have a disproportionate number of African Americans living there.
Not every state reports cases with a breakdown by race. The White House task force says the federal government is now collecting that data.
It will be public as soon as you get enough data to be able to make a meaningful statement.
Doctors on the front lines see those numbers play out firsthand.
You pass through door after door after door where a patient is fighting for their life on the other side, and almost every single one of them is black.
Especially hard in smaller communities like Albany, Georgia. In a county nearly 70% African American, it has more deaths than anywhere in the state. Terica Parks is a survivor.
I was wrapped in a blanket. I'm laying there gasping for air, and all I'm thinking is, I don't think I'm going to make it.
People are scared. We're scared. We've never seen anything like this before.